If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen, and first of all, let me thank all of you because you guys have helped me cross 300 subscribers. I know it's not a very big number, but for me it is big, and I've been bringing all these recipes for you guys so that you guys like it, enjoy it, and I can see that you guys are enjoying it because you guys are subscribing. So anyways, I always try to bring like simple recipes, moderate and difficult, like the one that I made macaroons, but yes, all different kind of cuisines. And if you guys have any suggestions, if you want to share your recipe, do share it with me. I can feature it in my channel. And yeah, I'm just very thankful, very grateful to all of you, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. And today, so let's get back to today's recipe. Today we're going to be making stuffed sweet peppers, and they are going to be delicious, simple. It's a very quick appetizer. So if you have guests coming very quickly, or if you don't want to make anything too much, this is the recipe you want to make. It'll be done in like 15-20 minutes, or yeah, 15-20 minutes, including the prep and baking and everything. So let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, now for the ingredients, the main thing is sweet peppers. So I have like all different kind of sweet peppers. This is orange color, red, yellow. I just sliced them in half and I removed the seeds and washed and packed them dry. So this is what you want to do. Over here I have some ricotta cheese that I just slightly mashed with a spoon. I have some mozzarella cheese over here, some breadcrumbs. This is Italian seasoning breadcrumbs, some salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and Italian seasoning. So these are the very simple ingredients that you will be needing for the recipe. And now let's get started. Let's start mixing everything. In my ricotta cheese, I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. Oops. And then to this, I'm going to add the breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, chili flakes. You can control the spice of the chili flakes according to you. You can definitely add less if you want, if you don't want it too spicy. And this dish is not going to be spicy. It's just going to give a very good kick to your peppers, because they are sweet peppers. And I'm just going to mix them up. So you can find the recipe for this dish in the description box below. There will be a link which will take you to my website, and you can enjoy the recipe and check out some other recipes. So just combine everything properly so that when you stuff them, every pepper has a good amount of flavor. Now let's just go ahead and stuff them. So I'm going to use the best tool, that is my hand. And they're clean, so not to worry there. So I'm just going to stuff them like this. And my oven is preheating at 425. I'm going to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. And this appetizer is going to be ready. So I'm going to stuff all of them and show it to you when they're ready to go into the oven. Okay, my peppers are filled up, so let's line them up on a baking tray. They are ready to go in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and once they're done, I'm going to show you how they look. They are out from the oven and they look beautiful. They have a very nice color. So let me just remind you once again, they were baked for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they are perfection right now. So let's take a closer look and see how beautiful they look. I'm gonna pick the orange one. Oh my god, look at this. Ooh, I'm sure it's very hot, so just be careful. My god, guys, like literally the entire combination in here with the peppers, it is so good. It is so good. So it is not at all spicy. It just has a very little kick from the chili flakes, and it is perfect. I really love it, and I'm sure you guys are also gonna love it whenever you make. And it's a perfect appetizer, really quick one. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my recipe so that everyone can enjoy these delicious ones. And I will see you guys in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.